I purchased that Nielsen Rigg bag. I got the Sport. I felt like the touring was gonna be a little too big and the light was gonna be a little too small, so I ended up getting this. And everybody knows this is a bitch to take out. Let's see here. Not sure. This usually pops up by itself. I haven't had any luck taking it out, so I'm gonna leave it. But if you look at the seat, this is the Sport. It fits right there. All I gotta do is strap it. I'm not gonna, then if I wanna take the bag out when I'm gonna go out or put something in, I would have to take all this out. I think it mounts underneath here. But I wanna keep the seat. I don't wanna keep taking this on and off just to put this on. I think this fits just good. What do you guys think? It's the Commuter Sport by Nielsen Rigg. I think that doesn't even look half bad. I like it. I think I'm gonna attempt to install it just like this. I'm not gonna move anything out of it. So like that, I can take it out, carry my stuff. I've been using my camera bag actually to carry stuff. And I'll show you. Hold on. I was actually using my camera bag, and I would just kind of like put it through here to carry stuff around, my equipment, any cameras, any GoPros. But I don't have to use this anymore. It never fell off while I used it, so I can just carry everything in here. And if I want to do I guess pick up something, I can use it. I think that looks good. Yep. Well, it's the Nielsen Rigg Commuter Sport. All right, pick it up. eBay. I think it was eBay and Amazon had it cheaper than Slick Mods. So.